Let's dive into the Pi network. We're going to explore its unique approach to cryptocurrency and what sets it apart from the myriad of digital currencies available today. A project that's making waves in the crypto world. It's capturing attention and sparking conversations across the globe. Unlike most digital coins, which often seem geared towards tech-savvy investors and developers, Pi aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just tech experts. It's about democratizing access to digital finance. With millions of users worldwide, Pi is built on the idea of mining crypto on your phone. This innovative approach removes many of the traditional barriers to entry. Forget about needing expensive hardware or worrying about battery drain. Pi Network offers a streamlined, user-friendly experience. This simplicity has attracted a massive global community of pioneers. These individuals are the driving force behind the network's growth and development. They're not just mining. They're building an ecosystem around a fair, widely distributed currency. This ecosystem is designed to foster innovation and create real-world value. Pi's real innovation is inclusivity. It's about breaking down barriers and creating a digital currency that anyone can use. Pi is connecting people everywhere with digital value, just like the internet did with information. It's creating a more connected and equitable global economy. You don't need technical know-how to use Pi, and that's key to its mission. The focus is on accessibility and ease of use for everyone. The project is methodically building a secure network for real-world transactions. Security and reliability are paramount to Pi's long-term success. The next big milestone? The open mainnet phase. This is a crucial step in Pi's journey towards becoming a fully functional and independent cryptocurrency, which will connect Pi to other blockchains and exchanges. This connectivity will open up new possibilities for Pi and its users. This will unlock Pi's true potential and allow for broader adoption. It's about bringing Pi to the masses and making it a part of everyday life. The core team is focused on sustainability and utility, not just hype. They are committed to building a long-term, viable cryptocurrency. Their careful, step-by-step approach could make Pi a lasting force in the evolution of money. It's about building a solid foundation for the future of digital finance. As we move into 2025, all eyes are on Pi's progress. The year ahead promises to be a pivotal one for the Pi network. The excitement is real. People believe this could bring crypto into the mainstream. There's a palpable sense of anticipation surrounding Pi's future. Pi's vision is about empowering individuals globally, not just creating another coin. It's about giving people more control over their financial lives. The journey so far has been about building trust and a strong foundation. This foundation will be critical for Pi's long-term success. With a massive user base and a clear mission, Pi stands out in the crowded crypto landscape. It's a project with a unique vision and a dedicated community. The next chapter could redefine how we all think about digital currency. Pi Network is poised to potentially revolutionize the way we interact with digital finance. Ever wondered who's shaping the future of Pi Network? Who are the individuals dedicating their time and expertise to this innovative project? The project is spearheaded by a team of Stanford PhDs, bringing a wealth of academic knowledge and real-world experience to the table. These are not just theorists, they are active researchers and builders. Dr. Nicholas Kokkalis, the head of technology, is a driving force behind Pi's technical architecture. He's an expert in blockchain technology and social computing, ensuring Pi remains at the cutting edge. Dr. Kokkalis has also shared his knowledge by teaching decentralized app design at Stanford University. This demonstrates his deep commitment not only to the technology, but also to educating the next generation of blockchain innovators. Dr. Chengdiao Fan, the head of product, brings a unique perspective with her specialization in human-computer interaction. She ensures that Pi is not only powerful, but also intuitive and user-friendly. Dr. Fan's unwavering focus on user experience is the key reason why Pi is so accessible and community-driven. She understands that technology is only as good as its ability to connect with people. The combined expertise of Dr. Kokkalis and Dr. Fan ensures that Pi is both technically sound and remarkably easy to use, bridging the gap between complex technology and everyday users. Vincent McPhillip, an early leader within the Pi network, played a crucial role in helping spark Pi's global grassroots movement, fostering a sense of community from the very beginning. Today, the core team continues to prioritize open communication and active engagement with pioneers around the world, ensuring that the community's voice is heard and valued. What is their ultimate vision? To create a cryptocurrency and smart contracts platform that is truly run by everyday people, empowering individuals to participate in the digital economy. They're not just building a token, they're actively creating an inclusive digital economy where everyone has the opportunity to thrive and participate. Their core goal is to empower those who have been traditionally left out of the world of traditional finance, providing them with access to new opportunities and financial tools. A commitment to academic rigor and a genuine passion for innovation are what truly drive Pi's ongoing development and evolution. The team's approach is highly methodical, with a strong focus on strategic planning and a long-term vision for the success and sustainability of the Pi network. The community remains at the very heart of everything that Pi does, shaping its development and guiding its future. This strong foundation, built on expertise, community, and a clear vision, is what truly sets Pi apart and positions it as a leader in the cryptocurrency revolution. The Pi core team's vision extending to 2025 and beyond is crystal clear. They're not just aiming for incremental improvements, they're setting the stage for a fundamental shift in how we perceive and interact with digital currency. Their mission is to make crypto accessible, understandable, and genuinely useful for everyone, regardless of their technical background or geographical location. It's not just about the mechanics of mining or the intricacies of blockchain technology. It's about fostering real-world utility and practical applications that seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. The Open Mainnet, when launched, will be a pivotal moment, allowing Pi to interact and transact with other established blockchains and cryptocurrency exchanges, broadening its reach and functionality. This interoperability is key, opening new doors to partnerships, integrations, and innovative use cases. Pi isn't trying to directly outcompete established players like Bitcoin or Ethereum in their specific domains. Instead, it's strategically carving its own unique niche, with a laser focus on facilitating everyday use and mass adoption. The Pi core team is actively fostering a vibrant and rapidly growing ecosystem of Pi apps, affectionately known as Pi apps, designed to cater to diverse needs, including social media interactions, online marketplaces for goods and services, and a wide array of other practical and innovative digital services. This emphasis on utility is what will ultimately give Pi lasting value and solidify its position in the digital economy. Sustainability is not just an afterthought, it's a central tenet of Pi's design. The consensus algorithm is inherently energy efficient, a stark contrast to the energy-intensive processes of older cryptocurrencies. The economic model has been meticulously designed to ensure a fair and sustainable balance among miners who contribute to the network, the everyday users who transact and engage with the Pi ecosystem, and the developers who build and maintain the Pi apps and infrastructure. Community feedback plays a crucial role in shaping the ongoing development and evolution of Pi, ensuring that it remains aligned with the needs and desires of its users. The extended enclosed mainnet period has been instrumental in allowing the team to refine and implement robust KYC Know Your Customer solutions and develop the necessary infrastructure to support a thriving ecosystem. The Pi core team operates with a methodical and cautious approach, prioritizing the protection of its users and the overall health and security of the network above all else. They're not rushing to meet arbitrary deadlines. Every step is carefully considered and deliberately executed. The ultimate goal is to create a user-centric digital currency that empowers individuals and communities on a global scale, fostering financial inclusion and economic opportunity. Pi's measured and thoughtful approach is all about building something that not only works today, but is also designed to last for the long term. The vision for the future is a truly decentralized network that will continue to empower and benefit generations to come. PiCoin isn't just another Bitcoin clone. Its consensus algorithm, based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, is energy efficient and mobile friendly. Anyone can secure the network using their phone, no expensive gear needed. Pi's distribution is designed to prevent wealth concentration, rewarding users for contributing in different roles. This creates a fairer, more balanced digital economy. The massive, engaged community is Pi's biggest asset, driving real utility. By making mining as simple as a daily tap, Pi democratizes crypto creation. The mobile-first approach opens doors for millions who couldn't mine before. Pi's focus on community and utility sets it apart from speculative coins. As the Open Mainnet launches, Pi's unique model could drive widespread adoption. It's crypto for the people, by the people. Crypto's wild price swings scare off everyday users. Pi aims for stability by focusing on real-world utility, not just speculation. The more you can do with Pi, the less its value depends on hype. Coins are released gradually, and mining rates decrease as the network grows. Lockups encourage users to hold, reducing early selling pressure. A strong, informed community helps stabilize the ecosystem. Transparency and education keep users invested for the long haul. Pi's thoughtful design is all about long-term health and usability. Pioneers often talk about GCV, Global Consensus Value. It's a community-driven idea, a shared target price for Pi, not set by the core team. GCV represents hope and belief in Pi's future value. If enough users transact at this value, it could anchor Pi's price when it hits exchanges. The real power is in collective agreement. Community belief can shape perception and adoption. GCV highlights how Pi's value is built on trust, utility, and a passionate user base. The true test for Pi is real-world use. Already, pioneers are trading goods and services with Pi in peer-to-peer marketplaces. As more Pi apps launch, you'll be able to buy coffee, pay freelancers, or split bills, all with Pi. Small businesses can tap into a global customer base and lower fees. In regions with limited banking, Pi offers a new way to participate in the digital economy. The app's simple interface makes transactions as easy as sending a text. Pi aims to be digital cash for everyday people. The goal? Make financial interactions smoother and more accessible for all. Pi Network is building more than a coin. It's creating a digital ecosystem. Developers are building Pi apps for marketplaces, games, and social platforms. Tools like PiOS and the SDK make it easy to innovate on the Pi blockchain. Pioneers aren't just users, they're testers, creators, and promoters. Community feedback shapes the ecosystem's evolution. The vision, a vibrant digital marketplace where Pi is earned, spent, and recirculated. This circular economy strengthens Pi's value and utility. Developers and users work together to drive adoption. The expanding ecosystem is turning Pi's ambitious vision into reality. In 2025, Pi Network stands out as a model for inclusive, user-friendly crypto. Its mobile-first approach brings digital currency to billions, especially the unbanked. Pi empowers people left out of traditional finance, unlocking new opportunities. The project's success is inspiring the crypto industry to focus on real-world utility. Pi's fair distribution and sustainability set a new standard for digital currencies. OpenMindNet is the next big step with challenges ahead, but strong momentum. The passion of the core team and pioneers fuels Pi's journey. Pi could redefine finance, making it open, fair, and accessible for everyone.